Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us our platform model at Lunis Ali University Blida in Algeria. Today we're going to present our fifth lecture titled What is Auditing? So I have divided my fifth lecture into the following elements as follows. What is auditing? What are the main types of auditing? Language activities, including building vocabulary. And finally, assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. So what is auditing? Auditing or financial audit is an official examination and verification of a business financial records. The main goal of auditing is to make sure that companies' financial statements are accurate and are following regulatory guidelines. What are the main types of auditing? Depending on who performs financial audits, we categorize audits into three main categories: internal, external, and finally, government audits. Third element, language activities. Audit as a countable or an accountable noun means an official examination of business and financial records to see that they are true and correct. An annual audit, for example, audits can be performed by internal parties and a government entity such as the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. Finally, please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.